All right, guys, got a 2017 BMW X3 inverter up there, factory flex pipe, and that was the resonator that they left on. We took that off, put a piece of 3-inch in its place. There's the other mid that they took off out of state, and then the rear muffler they did out of state, tip and everything. So right there and right there. So now it's fully straight pipe right there. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Sound decibels. 99. Yeah, peaked at 99. It's got a rep too. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Oh.